Hi and welcome to this our Filmora tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to just show you how to detach your audio and how to remove your background music, background voice. So you can see the files here. This is your video and this area which you see is up and down is your audio related files. Okay. So actually this is not a single video. You would remember that we have cut this video at many points, right? So I'll just show you once again. So we have cut our video here, we have cut the second part here, then you remember while adding transitions. So we have cut our video at many points. Okay, so we are going to take the same video into our project itself. So okay, just let me come into a timeline. So if you do not want any audio to come out from this video, just press this here, press right click, press mute here. You should understand that only this particular region is highlighted because we have splitted the video in many cases. We are going to press mute here, then once again this area, okay, and this is the last region. Okay, we are going to press mute here. Now you see that all the areas are muted. Now let me just once again play it, right? Now you see that there is only just audio, there is only just video coming in, the audio is completely muted. Now I'm going to stop this. So I'm going to remove this mute. You should understand that when you start cutting your videos, you should work your audio correction in all the split places. Okay, I have removed. Now we are going to detach our audio. Let's see what happens. Right click, I'm going to press detach here. You can see this audio portion completely detached. Now again right click. Now again I'm detaching for the second. Now comes the third one. Okay, now comes the final one. Okay, so when you're going to record your own video and use in Filmora for editing, I would request you to follow this step in the beginning itself before cutting the videos to make it more easy. Okay, so this is the first part. So I've clicked the first part. So I'm going to right click it and press adjust audio. This can be done like this also, or else you can press double click over here. So it comes audio. Can you just see the option here? It is called denoise. No, before we denoise, I want you to listen what happens here now. Let us see the difference of your life and all the troubles or fantasies which you have been having in your life. I don't want to make it a delay, so let us get into the story. Once there was a prince. Okay, this is the audio. Now I'm going to just press just audio. Remove the background noise. You can keep it as mild or anything else, that depend upon your preferences. Now this is second region. Again I'm going to press adjust audio, same, remove background noise second time. Then you can see the third one here. Again adjust audio. What I'm going to do is remove background noise. Everything, make sure for each and every places you split, you keep it in the same. If for the first split, if you are keeping it as remove background noise strong, even the second clip also I request you to keep it as remove background noise in the same. So if you cut the second, now comes the last one, right? Again adjust audio, remove background noise, and I want you to click it. Okay, so now let's play it out here. Who wanted to understand the real value or wisdom of a life. So he went and approached a great master of how to have or how to understand the value of life. The great master just showed him a path and asked the prince to follow along this path that he may be learning the great real wisdom towards his life. The prince, as instructed, carried on his journey. And after some point of time, first he saw. Now we can see a huge difference after we remove this background noise. And one important thing I want to speak at this area is Filmora can remove a great deal of background noise from our video that we record, but at many times the audio quality of the recording would also depend upon the kind of microphone used. If you are really serious to create a good audio and video, or if you really want to help students in making your course reach, I would prefer you, or I would request you to buy a good quality microphone here. When I started my video editing, I was using a collar lavalier mic, but after a point of time I started using blue snowball microphone. There was a tremendous quality of increase in the audio quality after I started using a good microphone. To adjust audio and to remove background noise would be a big task. I want you to keep practicing and adjusting till the amount of right listening of this audio and video has come. Okay, now let's go on to this another important thing. So whenever you want to adjust an audio or video, make sure that everything is fine. So this is your master volume, where you can increase or decrease your volume. If sometimes your voice is very less, I would prefer you to increase your decibel level. For everything, I want you, for all the split ends, I want you to keep the same decibel level, because I don't want your video to go up and down in the case of noise. Uh, when you want to really see, can you just see the line here? Okay, it goes all the way straight, right? Example, let us go click here. I'm going to just double click it here. Let us see what is going to happen right now. Do you see the lines coming up and down, which means this part of the video is not in alignment with the other two parts of the video. Make sure you keep this line in the same place. That is, this line should be the same when you are adjusting your audio, right? I hope so you have understood this, my dear friends. In the next video I'll teach you further on regarding this. Thanks a lot for listening to this tutorial. I'm going to meet you in the next tutorial. Thanks guys.